Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of whimsical wooden yard art ideas for charmed outdoor decor. So watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also don't forget to like and share this video as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Creating whimsical wooden yard art is an engaging and creative way to enhance your outdoor decor, bringing life and character to gardens, patios or any outdoor space. Wooden art not only adds charm but can also serve as a playful and personal expression of your style and creativity. These projects often celebrate nature and encourage imaginative designs that delight both children and adults. Whether you are a seasoned woodworker or a novice DIY enthusiast, there are endless possibilities for crafting unique pieces that can transform your yard into a vibrant oasis. One delightful project is the creation of whimsical garden signs that can be personalized to reflect your tastes and family identity. Using reclaimed wood or new planks, you can carve or paint signs for labeling different areas of your garden, such as herb garden, flower haven, or fairy nook. A fun twist can be adding humorous quotes or clever puns to make your signs engaging. For a more rustic look, consider using natural stain or paint in soft pastels to give the signs a weathered appearance. Positioning these signs along pathways can create a narrative that guides visitors through your garden, inviting them to explore. Another creative idea is to craft wooden sculptures that can serve as focal points in your yard. These can range from simple abstract forms to intricate animals or mythical creatures. For example, carving a whimsical owl or a playful frog from a large piece of wood can add a delightful touch to your landscaping. You can use power tools for detailed designs, or for a more hands-on experience, whittling with a knife can create charming rustic animals. Once you complete the sculpture, consider using outdoor paint or sealer to protect it from the elements, ensuring it lasts through the seasons while maintaining its beauty. Birdhouses are a classic project that combines functionality with whimsical design. Creating a charming birdhouse can attract local birds while serving as an adorable decoration. You can design birdhouses in various shapes, such as cottages, castles, or even themed designs based on nature, such as flowers or trees. Painting the birdhouses in bright colors or applying playful patterns can enhance their appeal and make them standout features in your yard. Going a step further, you can integrate small decorations like flowers, leaves, or additional wooden carvings to create a truly unique home for your feathered friends. Another fantastic idea is constructing a wooden planter box that embodies whimsy and style. These planters can come in various shapes, sizes, and styles, from simple rectangular boxes to more intricate tiered designs or those shaped like animals. Customize your planter box by carving fun details, like faces or patterns into the sides. Fill these planters with vibrant flowers or herbs to not only enhance the visual appeal but also create a fragrant oasis. Placing a few of these colorful planters at different levels around your yard can create a stunning visual display that draws the eye. If you want to incorporate elements of playfulness, consider creating a whimsical totem pole. Using multiple pieces of wood, you can craft a colorful and imaginative design that represents various aspects of your personality or interests. Each segment can feature unique carvings or paintings, such as animals, faces, or symbols that hold meaning for you. These totem poles can be made in different heights and positioned strategically in your yard to serve as distinctive landmarks. Not only will they serve as artwork, but they also become conversation starters for guests. For those with children, involving them in creating wooden yard art can be a great bonding experience. You can craft simple wooden game sets, like giant tic-tac-toe or outdoor Jenga, which can be painted in bright colors and designed to look inviting and fun. Such games encourage outdoor play and interaction, making your garden a lively space of activity. These pieces can reside permanently in your yard, adding both charm and functionality while creating lasting memories as family and friends gather to enjoy them. Consider creating wooden fairy houses scattered throughout your garden to instill a sense of magic and adventure. These miniature homes can be designed in various styles: rustic cabins, whimsical cottages, or even elaborate estates. Use small pieces of wood, twigs, and other natural materials to construct these tiny abodes. To make them more enchanting, decorate them with miniature furniture, tiny gardens, or surrounding flower beds. Inviting imagination, these fairy houses can charm children and adults alike, encouraging everyone to explore and wonder about the magical inhabitants. Outdoor benches or seating areas can also become whimsical features with the right designs. Instead of traditional benches, consider crafting benches that resemble animals, such as a bear or a turtle. These playful designs will encourage visitors to sit down, relax, and enjoy the surrounding beauty of your garden. Choose durable wood and weatherproof finishes to ensure that your creations withstand outdoor conditions while still providing a fun and inviting space. Wind chimes made from wood can introduce a delightful auditory element to your outdoor decor. Crafting wind chimes from various lengths of wood can create a unique sound experience as the pieces gently clash in the breeze. You can carve designs into the wooden pieces or add colorful beads or shells for additional charm. Hanging these from trees or patio overhangs can create a serene atmosphere, complemented by the soft sounds of nature. As you explore more complex designs, consider building an outdoor clock or functional sundial made from wood. These pieces not only serve a practical purpose but can also act as artistic focal points for your yard. Carve or paint numbers, patterns, and decorations that reflect your personal style. These structures can invite both function and creativity, enhancing the overall aesthetic while providing a conversation starter. For those who love a more surreal twist, crafting whimsical garden stakes can add playfulness to your garden beds. Carve playful shapes such as flowers, insects, or even mythical beings, and use long stakes to secure them in your garden. These stakes can evoke joy and wonder, encouraging garden visitors to look closer and appreciate the creativity behind every piece. Lastly, fairy or gnome gardens can be an incredibly fun project. Design small ornate wooden furniture, pathways, and adorable miniature structures that can be arranged in a dedicated area of your garden to create a scene. Incorporating whimsical elements, like tiny fairy doors leading to nowhere, or gnome statues hiding among the flowers, can foster an enchanting atmosphere that sparks imagination. In conclusion, creating whimsical wooden yard art is a rewarding venture that allows for personal expression while enhancing the appearance of your outdoor spaces. The projects outlined, from garden signs and sculptures to fairy houses and whimsical benches, offer a wide array of possibilities for unleashing your creativity. Through woodworking, you can craft beautiful pieces that invite engagement, inspire joy, and foster connection with nature and loved ones. Embracing the process of making wooden art not only enriches your garden but also adds a touch of whimsical charm that turns any outdoor area into a delightful retreat. Whether through simple DIY projects or more intricate designs, wooden yard art serves as a playful reminder of the beauty and creativity that exists within each of us. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.